Welcome back, everybody. It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey guys, and tonight I'm practicing with my Lizard 95 again. We have a race on Friday night, so I've set up some gates here in the yard. I'll spin it up, or I'll spin the camera around, and I'll show you guys my track. All right, so I'm going to lift off here from the table. From there, I'm going to go straight to the green gate. I'm going to go around, back around through the red one, come around. I'm going to hit the orange one, come straight for the blue one here. I'm going to go around the tree here, through the brush, back around, through here, and then straight across again. So hope you guys enjoy.
Bye.